Hi everyone, in this video we will be talking about a PDF reader which provides us dictionary as well as some more features with it. So first I will give you the example like how exactly it works, right? This word here is summit, and when I click it I get the meaning, and you can see like it has all the options here. In any way you can search the meaning, you can get the pictures, you can get the Google search also from here. Right here you get that option. Generally what exactly happens, like what I used to face is I was searching for a pop-up dictionary क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा important होता है वो. While reading online content you must have some dictionary extension in your Chrome. So while searching for it I could not get the good one, and I got this PDF reader where I can get all the meanings in every way possible. Like it has Wikipedia meanings, it has Google, like all the options those can be available. It has this pronunciation also, right? And I can edit it also from here. I can edit here also, so it's also a good point. And it zooms in and zooms out from here. It can be highlighted, the meanings can be highlighted. This feature is also here. The text can also be added here if we want to add some text, so that's very optional thing. And like so many features are here, those I was not expecting initially. And first thing I will say that where exactly you need to download it from. You can search it like AI translator, dictionary, online definer. This way you will get the extension, and once you have it you can turn it on, and from there what exactly happens, when you will open it like this, if you open it you will get the option, right, let me search it like this. You will get this option, and then you need to just click here, PDF reader you need to open. Then it will give you the option to select the PDFs, right? So this dictionary is just very nice. You can get all the meanings of yours like within 5 seconds. And what more we can ask for? We will not have to deal with new tabs from here. So I hope it helped you. It will help you, I hope, because it helped me immensely, and I hope the same for you. And if you find any trouble searching the extension, or like in some settings also, because